Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a very quick test of a tool that is supposed to be a superhuman for full stack engineers, or this is what their website says. And we're going to see how easy and how to say convenient is to build a website or an app with a text prompt. They also have the option to attach an image and to use Figma import, but I haven't prepared the Figma import yet. So I think we can try just with the prompt itself and see how flexible that option is. Let me share my screen and choose the Lovable web browser. Okay, so this is the Lovable home page tab, whatever. After you log in, you do need a registration in order to use it. And I haven't tried it before the stream, prior to the stream, so we're going to see how easy it is. We have like a couple of options here on the bottom to create an e-commerce store, expense tracker, slide dev presentation, developer portfolio. Okay, we do have something to go off, but what I saw, it was that we should use like a human language and not overcomplicate it with different terminology. So let's try to describe one of by ourselves, and then the next one maybe we can choose from the presets and see what we'll want with what we'll demonstrate basically. I hope you can hear me well and that everything works fine. I do use all of my microphones very well, but I think I connected it. Let me just check. All of my mic. Yes, okay, everything is working. I just wanted to make sure. And for this first project, a dashboard, okay, let's see. I had like a post on social media about companies I want to work with. And one of them as like a two dream collabs list was bookshop, independent authors, and maybe hostel, spa, and wellness. Let's see. Let's start with the bookshop maybe. Create a bookshop e-commerce. Books. What should we give as a maybe vibe, colors, or something like that? Maybe we can make it like purchase fantasy. Fantasy, is it the right way? Fantasy. I don't read fantasy, so I'm not sure how it's spelled, but I think that's the correct version. Fantasy books. No, it's not fantasy with F. Okay. Fantasy books. Make it look and feel magical and dark. This is a very silly prompt, but let's see what we will get and how long it will take. Enchanted book nook, lovable. Okay. So it gives us some kind of dark theme fantasy bookshop. This evokes images and ancient magic artifacts. Okay. Harry Potter. Diagonally. Okay. A great enchanted book with the sophisticated art aesthetic and diverse functionality. I will draw inspiration from ancient libraries with rich wood and leather bound. I like the breakdown. This is interesting. Medium pre-commerce. Okay. So basically, it shows me absolutely everything it's doing. Elegant homepage with animated hero section, feature popular books showcase, yes. Book browsing with filters. Mm-hmm. Book detail pages with magical animations. Let's do that. Maybe some sparkles. I would love that. Shopping cart functionality, checkout process. Okay. Deep midnight blue. Okay. Rich purples. Sure. Warm amber accents. Okay. And antique gold highlights. Okay. Elegant serif fonts, headings, clean sans serif for readability. Makes sense. Animations, page intuition with magical effects, subtle hover animations. Okay. Style, premium glass morphism. Okay. Glows and shadows. Okay, it's still going. So I assume this will take a while. Until it loads everything, you can subscribe, comment your thoughts. Let me know if you have used it before. Maybe if there's something better. Because as I mentioned in the description, I was like how to say, suggested to consult on the topic of AI website and app builders, and I said honestly and openly that I haven't tested as much as I wish I had, and I had Replit and Lovable in my list, and even created thumbnails for the testing of them. And I just wanted to learn more about what they do and how they do it, so I can talk and have an opinion on the topic. So maybe next time there such a project comes up, I'll be able to actually consult and talk about. But one thing I should not note now already is that it takes quite a while to start getting some visuals and some kind of feedback. But if you're watching, say hi, share your experience with the platform or any other platforms that you have used before. And maybe if you have an idea for a different website or an app, maybe we can test both today. Like I have an hour scheduled, but I hope this doesn't take too much. And I don't know when it's going to stop. Because it doesn't give me any estimation of how long this will take. And maybe I should have clarified that I want just a homepage for now. Maybe it's my mistake. But yeah, it's cool to see the work behind it, but yeah, it gets tiresome and bothersome just waiting. I wish I knew how long it will take so I can do something else more productive in the meantime. But yeah, let me know what you think and if you have used this tool before. Also, one of the goals for this year is to reach 1000 subscribers. We are on 363 or 4 at the moment, so thank you so much. I'm recently also checking all the analytics and learning new stuff about YouTube and how to make my videos more like visible on in the search in general. And I figured that using subtitles, actually helps with reach. Project is being used and was unable to acquire log before timeout. This doesn't mean anything for me. Like, what does that mean? Will it continue where it stopped? It's still loading here. Was this the end? Can I ask? Let's see what is the error. Cart. Cannot find module. Okay, so it's missing an element, I guess. Okay, particularly with the missing substance package and the input and comment. What does this mean? What is this package? Do I know it? How this makes sense to me as a user that doesn't have supposedly web development and design experience? If this is for the people who want to DIY, bootstrap, startup immediately, okay, okay. What was that? What was that? Okay, interesting. Okay, the homepage has been successfully set up with the dependency added and the input component properly imported. I've created some basic placeholder pages. Okay, let's see. There's a okay, so I only can see the hero after I scroll. So basically this will be the first loading screen the user sees. Search for books how to score. Okay, interesting. Let's will it work actually? The search? No, it will not. It's not connected to anything yet. Okay. Discover magical worlds in books. Okay. Of course, the copy is made with AI. This book, I don't think it's the one that we need at the moment. And the contrast is really different, so it's not very cohesive with the branding of it. I like the effect here, although it may be not perfect for accessibility and readability, but it gives that kind of feeling of being magical. Explore the books, shop now. Also here not very good contrast, but we have the hover effect. It looks cute for now. Okay, browse by category, magical realism, epic fantasy, dark fantasy. Okay, view all categories. Of course, it's not possible. I forgot that. Reader's favorite. So it has above the brow on every single one, which is interesting. But it's very annoying that every time I scroll to the top, it's replacing the full screen with this search. That's very annoying. Most enchanting titles. Okay. I like on the hover animations. Actually, not bad. It's not like a typical book proportions, but definitely it's not matching the picture with the name as well, I think, because it's Narnia in the back and here's something else. That's okay. Curated collection, magical delivery. Can you actually see? You cannot see the right tab. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Oh my god, I just realized. Oh my god. So sorry about that, guys. Okay, I was talking and you didn't see my frustration and my comments on the topic. Anyway, but here is the annoying search loading overlay screen that I was talking about. That every time I scroll completely to the top, it defaults back to it. And I was talking about this image here and how it looks like floating wise, and even the Explorer has animation, which is good. Of course, the copy and the images are not matching, so we have to change that manually. I was talking about the glowing, a little bit smear effect on the enchanting word, which is good. I like that. The bad readability and contrast on this call to action and ghost button here. I was also commenting on these cards that are also interactive, and I clicked here, but nothing showed up, of course. I got a 404, and above the brow, I noticed that we have this little copy in elements. See, that was annoying. Above every single heading, the different types of fantasy genres. Also here some like most what was in the prompt, something like bestsellers or something like that. So maybe here it would be good to be presented. But as I said, it's more like a rectangle shape rather than having it in a book shape or double sides, details about the book and then picture image of the actual book. But it's not bad. It's just like very narrow. Again, boxes and boxes. Very simple and repetitive, but yeah, it looks okay on the first glance. Subscribe to our magical newsletter. Okay, good. What else? Magical worlds await you. This is more like it. This is what I would imagine to have like, yep, shopping experience for books. And you can add them to cart with this icon here. Okay, this is actually not bad. And the footer is like a completely regular footer, which is not bad. Okay, enchanted book look. Okay, let's go back here. Let's see the mobile version. Let me share again. Can I inspect it as a mobile? Will it work? Okay. See, this is glitching here because whenever I yeah, that's the problem here. And the floating is not really responsive here. Maybe we would remove the background image in this case. And let's see, others are just straight up with centered alignment, boxes and boxes. Very redundant, but I wish this was working so we can remove that search. Okay, this doesn't look bad. Okay, nice. The interactions, are they available? For mobile? Cannot tell from the browser here, but anyway. Okay, let me see. I wanted to share again the whole screen. Yep. So we are here. Desktop. Okay, let's try and see if we can actually tweak and work with this tool to be working with us in our favor. So how easy is the edit of this website? This is what I want to know. How easy can we get to launch with this? Okay. Thanks. Always be polite, right? Can we remove the background image? Now this is very tedious when we have to write every single thing we want to do instead and at the same time actually do it. Can you remove the background image in the hero section that is floating? Also please remove no, stick, make the search appear instead of a navbar and make it stay not on top. Is it fixed or sticky? No, okay, and remove the sticky and remove the sticky behavior. Okay, let's see. Will it do anything of that? Again, it takes some time, and we don't ask for much, actually. Let me close the other pages. Also, if you have any other suggestions on what we can do during these live streams, what we can test, experiment, and try out, make sure to leave it in the comments or in the latest community post. I'm active also there because I read everything and I'm open to suggestions as well. Okay, let's see what this happens now. I have removed the background image in the hero section and simplified to just a gradient. What? I didn't ask for that. For the navbar, I have removed the sticky behavior by removing the fixed class. Okay, and changing it to regular. Okay, I have replaced the navigation links with the search bar. Okay, in the middle of the navbar. Okay, let's see how this looks. And this time I will not forget to share. Okay, this button obviously doesn't work still. And this also doesn't work, but what now? How can I preview the rest of the website? No. Okay. Can I inspect this and see how to target it like properly so I can remove this whole thing? Navbar. Okay. Okay, I will just tell it to remove the navbar entirely. Okay, you can see also what I'm doing. The switching up of the tabs will be fun. It takes some time for every single thing. And it's not like I'm asking for much. I'm just asking for a little hide or a comment or something. Okay. We got it. Or we didn't. Wait a minute. Here it looks like it's removed, but whenever I preview it, it's still there. I do not get it. Oh, okay. We have access to the code. That's good. But as you can see, let me try again. When I click here, which is open preview in new tab, this shows up again and I cannot scroll. And this doesn't work. So the preview is rather useless. Okay, good. I can preview it in full. What was the background before that? I didn't want to change the background, but it's good. And I want to remove that image. How do I remove this image? Yeah, annoying. Let me do another. I cannot inspect this because actually, let me try again. Okay. Okay, this one. Thank you. Now, what I wanted is this image. Yep. Hero component. What is the name of it? Okay. I would just say the smaller image. Remove the smaller image. I forgot the place. But definitely, if you have an idea what kind of website or an app can we do in the next round, let me know in the comments or in the chat here. I also opened the chat here so we can see it. It is taking quite some time for every single thing. Finally, okay, good. It removed it. Nice. Okay, we have one floating like this. But if you don't know how to access the inspect and target every element, and see, this doesn't work here, but it is complicated. Okay, let's see what else can we do. We can publish it. Okay, we can have it like for free, okay, or pay probably and connect our domain. Superbase, I'm not sure what it is. GitHub, of course, source code on GitHub. Okay. Edit to select to edit and ask Lovable to modify. Okay, I think that's what we were looking for. Yes, that's much more easier. Oh, I like this. I like this. Okay. Okay, this will be easier. This is the div padding, but what about the size? What if I wanted to change the size of this? Advanced flex. Okay, 40. 140. Okay, and what about this one? It only gives me from top and bottom. Wait a minute. This is the margin, but can I do one side only? No, not really. What if I want to just the top? If that's not possible? Okay. Discard changes. Oh, let's see. Wait. Hide them with to resume. See if it. Okay. We cannot do this anymore. No. Okay, it was fun until it lasted, but I wonder if I can do something else. Go to dashboard, try something different, or we are done, completely done. Can I do more or just one project only? Not taking up remotion video. I don't know what that is. Habit tracker. Let's see this one. Oh, okay. They also have it with 2 sentences only because how much can you even type for a. Yeah, that's it for the free version. So you get how many prompts? I don't know. Edits, couple of edits to test it out, and that's basically it. It doesn't give much for the free version to tinker with. I wonder if I was also using the Touch and Figma import, would that take more of my credits and like complete, like eat out my free credits faster, or would it be the same as typing different prompts for the same project over and over again? But that's pretty much it. Impressive on first glance, but would it be useful for us developers and designers? In this stage, I don't think so. I think it creates more work than helps us do more work. Yes, we got like a full blown uh, homepage with a couple of minutes, but they're just boxes and they don't have like any different or unique layout. The UX is not in it. The UI and basic principles are also not there yet in terms of contrast and basic design principles. So I'll have to change that as well. The animations are cool and all, and the interactions are cool, but the copy and the mismatch with the images, yeah, there's still a lot to be done. And if you want to create like passion projects and I don't know, maybe try something quick and you wanted to do it yourself and you don't want to involve anybody else, maybe it is a good option. But is it a tool that is ready to be used for bigger projects? I don't think so. I will stick to Webflow, I will stick to Wix Studio, Shopify, anything that is already established. And even with those tools that I mentioned, you can start from scratch or either use a template and build faster build faster than this, because again it has a learning curve. This one, you have to figure out how to use it, and yeah, I don't see anybody using it for client work as for now, but maybe some people get used to it faster and they will leverage it as every tool that exists out there, but I don't think it's quite there yet. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you want to test something else and that you would like to see a demo of. I'm planning a new stream soon as well, which will be more like for fun, not so much for trying out things or learning. I mean, it could be both, but we will see how it goes. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and you can even join me in the next live stream if you want to, and we can do something together. I'm open to collaborations, and I'm also free in April for work and projects. And you can find all the important links in the description and in the comments below. As always, my template is now 10% off, the Wix Studio template, which is suitable for jewelry designers and any other designers that are selling products online, being physical or digital. Also, what else I'm going? to share right now. Yes, I do have a new service, which is landing page roasts, and it's an old service that is revamped, and I give detailed audit and feedback on landing pages and record myself in similar style and give suggestions and go over a checklist of things that you can do to improve the conversion and the overall professional look on your web page. What else is happening? Oh yeah, I'm also doing lots of research at the moment on Webflow and Client First. I'm building my first Client First project and possibly template, and I'm quite excited about that. New collaboration with a mentee for starting her own business. So yeah, my services are quite diverse, and I'm open to any type of collaboration if you're interested. And thank you so much for watching once again, everybody, like from all these countries that I listed in the community post. Thank you so much for watching. I see you and I appreciate you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.